Okay, so we're going to talk about how we sort living things. We discussed a little bit yesterday about the five kingdoms, and I'm going to review that real quickly. How do we classify living things? As you know, we classify living things into groups based on how they are similar. We look at a variety of traits and characteristics when we classify these organisms. We look at how organisms reproduce, gather nutrients, behave, and are designed to group them together. All living organisms, and there are about 1.5 million different species, are grouped into five kingdoms. Each organism in each kingdom shares a number of similar characteristics. They aren't identical, but they are similar. So, just to review, the five kingdoms are animal kingdom, plant kingdom, which we discussed yesterday, fungi, protist, and monarian. So let's talk more about animals. Yesterday we talked about plants. Today we're going to talk about animals. What makes an animal an animal? They are multicellular, just like plants. Animals have more than one cell that make them up. They must, but here's a big part that's different than plants. Animals must eat other organisms, so they have to eat plants or animals in order to survive. They do not make their own food. So, some common animals: frogs, tigers, lizards, people, crabs, foxes, bugs, insects, salamanders. Those are all animals. So, yesterday we classified plants as vascular and non-vascular. How can we classify animals further than animals? We have vertebrates and invertebrates. So, let's talk a little bit about what that means. The animal kingdom is divided up into two major groups: vertebrates, like that fox, and invertebrates, like that jellyfish. So, what is the difference? Vertebrates have backbones. If you reach behind you and you feel your back, you've got a backbone, and all vertebrates have backbones. Invertebrates do not have a backbone.